Short and sweet. This is the cup that we got our daughter for Christmas. This is not a Stanley. This is a $9.98 Walmart cup that she said she thought was cute. She is 9 years old. On the second day back to school after Christmas break, she comes home. She's not crying. She's just upset. The girls, all the other girls in her grade, I'm not saying all, maybe she said 9, 10 of them all got Stanleys for Christmas. And they made sure to let her know that this is not a real Stanley, that this is fake and it's not as cool.
Are you ready? Because Educator, here comes your student with their Stanley cups in tow and their panda dunks with their makeup from Sephora and Ulta and all the other things that are the latest and greatest of whatever. The real issue here will never be the Stanley cup. This is and will always be an issue of culture. And if you and I have never met, I am Briana Henderson, decorated educator, culture consultant, and coach to districts and campuses across the nation and Canada. And I have something to say about this. And more than that, I have solution to this. Bring me the adults. Because I encourage you to go back and look at her entire video. And you will see that within her demographic, there are other children who are not being reared the way that she's rearing her child. That's culture. Those other parents may look just like her. Those children may look just like her daughter. And you know what I mean when I say look like. Let me further prove that this is an issue of culture. The way that this parent is talking to her child is reminiscent of the way that I speak to my children as well. And she and I don't look alike. Because culture has nothing to do with race, ethnicity, gender, socioeconomic status, or any other demographic. Culture has all to do with an adult, what they value, what they believe, what they expect, and the norms with which they will ascribe to. So let's take it to the schoolhouse, shall we? Because Mom in the video mentioned school, and that's my lane. Because if you watch the entire video, you will see that Mom went ahead and bought her daughter a Stanley Cup because she wanted her to fit in. So to my educators, we are not about to be like Sephora, unable to handle children who come into our place of business. We are not scratching our head on how to handle children who are disrespectful. It's as simple as this. Disrespect doesn't collect. You don't collect points. You don't collect makeup. You don't collect video games. You don't collect shoes. You fill in the blank. In the comments, you don't collect, fill in the blank. Because each and every one of us, including children, our students, will continue allowed behavior. So what is the solution? Be the adult. I highlight this and more in the Miss T's Cup of Culture e-learning course. Get this resource in your hand. It will change the game for you.